Hi dear students, welcome to our physics class. Hope you are staying safe. As we know, physics is a branch of science which involves experiments and measurements. We discussed that measurement is a process of comparison of the given physical quantity with a non-standard quantity of the same nature, and the magnitude of a physical quantity is expressed in terms of its numerical value and unit. Today, we are going to study the SI system of units. The different systems of units are CGS system of unit, FPS system of unit, MKS system of unit, and SI system of unit. We know in CGS system of unit, or we can say that it is the French system of unit. In this system, the unit of length is centimeter, unit of mass is gram, and of time is second. And second one is FPS system or British system. In this system, the unit of length is foot, and mass is pound, and time is second. And in MKS system or metric system, the unit of length is meter, mass is kilogram, and of time is second. And the above mentioned systems are now not in use, and it is of only historical importance, this CGS, FPS and MKS system. Now we use the SI system of units, which is an enlarged and modified version of the metric system. The SI system or System International D units. In 1960, the General Conference of Weights and Measures recommended that in addition to the units of length, mass and time, the units of temperature, luminous intensity, current and the amount of substance also be taken as fundamental units, and the units of angle and solid angle as a complementary fundamental units. Thus in all, now there are 7 fundamental units and 2 complementary fundamental units. The fundamental units are, fundamental quantities are length, mass, time, temperature, luminous intensity, amount of substance, and electric current. These are the 7 fundamental quantities of SI system. And the 2 complementary quantities are angle or plane angle and solid angle. These are the complementary fundamental units. And the unit of length is meter, and mass is kilogram, time is second, temperature Kelvin, luminous intensity candela, amount of substance mole, electric current ampere, angle radian, and solid angle steradian. These are the symbols of units. Here you can see the base quantities. First one is length. The unit is meter, symbol is small letter m. Then mass, unit kilogram, symbol kg. Time, unit second, symbol small letter s. Electric current, unit ampere, symbol capital A. Temperature, unit Kelvin, symbol capital K. Amount of substance, unit mole and symbol MOL. And luminous intensity, unit candela, symbol CD. You can see International System of Units SI. The symbols are expressed here: Kelvin, meter, ampere, second, mole, kilogram and candela. So the SI system of units is a modified version of the metric system, and it is universally accepted, and the fundamental quantities in SI system are length, mass, time, temperature, luminous intensity, electric current, amount of substance, angle, and solid angle. So let's summarize. The systems of units include CGS system, FPS system, MKS system, and SI system. And SI system of units is an enlarged and modified form of metric system. Thank you.